Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Rizky Aulia Karoma with the student ID number 243111027, majoring in Computer Organization and Architecture. On this occasion, I will present material on number system, the basic concept used by computers to process data and information such as the binary decimal, octal, hexadecimal, and number system. I hope this presentation will enhance our understanding of the fundamentals of computer operation. Enjoy watching! This slide is understanding number system. What are number system? A number system is mathematical notation for representing numbers using a consistent set of symbols or digits and a base reading. It defines how numeric values are expressed, stored, and processed by digital systems and computers. In computing, all data, text, image, sounds is ultimately stored and processed as number. Understanding number system is therefore essential to understanding how computers function at the hardware level. The most common number systems in computing are decimal base 10, binary base 2, octal base 8, and hexadecimal base 16. Each system serves a specific purpose in hardware design, software development, and data representation. This slide is background. Humans have used number system for thousands of years, starting with simple tally marks. Over time, civilization developed more systematic approach. The Babylonians used base 60, Egyptians used hieroglyphic numerals, and Romans developed their own symbolic system. The decimal base 10 system became dominant due to the natural use of 10 fingers. With the invention of electronic computers in the 20th century, the binary system base 2 became the foundation of computing because electronic circuits can only exist in two states, on 1 and off 0. This gave rise to the need to understand multiple number system. Octal base 8 and hexadecimal base 16 system were developed as shorthand notation for binary, making it easier for programmers and engineers to work with long binary strings. The system remains widely used today in programming, memory addressing, color coding, and system design. Next slide is problem without number system. With a unified number system, computer and engineer face several critical challenges. Number 1, inconsistent data representation. Yes, different systems store number differently, causing data mismatch and errors when transferring between hardware. Number 2, CPU could not process binary efficiently. Is without binary, processor will need complex circuits to handle non-base 2 value, increasing cost and error rate. Number 3, memory addressing was impractical. Is without hex or octal shorthand, referencing memory address would require externally long and unreadable binary string. Plus, software and hardware incompatibility. Is program written for one system called run on another because they use different numeric representation internally. Next slide is purpose of number system. Number 1, universal digit representation. Binary provides the universal language for all digital computer. Every form of data or text, image, video is ultimately encoded in binary. Number 2, enable efficient hardware design. Binary logic maps directly to electronic on or off stage, making circuit design simpler, faster, and more energy efficient. Number 3, simplify programming and debugging. Hexadecimal and octal allow programmers to read, write, and debug binary data more easily using compact, readable notation. Number 4. Support standardized communication. This number system ensures that data is consistently interpreted across different hardware platforms, operating system, and programming language. Next slide is the four main number system. Number 1 is binary. Base 2 digit is 0 and 1. The foundation of all digital systems used internally by all CPU and memory. Every piece of data is ultimately stored as binary. Number 2 is octal. Base 8 digit 0 and 7 is used in early computing and Unix file permission. A compact shorthand for binary. Each octal digit represents exactly 3 binary bits. Number 3 is decimal. Base 10, digit 0 and 9. The everyday human number system used in high-level programming for user-facing values, calculation, and display output. Last, hexadecimal. Base 16, digit 0 and 9, or letter A and F. Widely used in programming, memory addressing, colors code, and machine code on hex digit equals exactly for binary bits. Next slide is comparison with and without standardized number system. Number 1 is without standardized system. Is inconsistent data format across hardware platform, extremely long binary string with not shorthand or unreadable, high error rate in manual data conversion, no universal standard for memory or color encoding, less difficult to debug machine-level program. Is number 2 with standardized system. Is universal binary encoding for all digital data. Hex and octal provide compact, readable shorthand for binary. Standardized conversion enable cross-platform compatibility. Colors, memory, and permission use consistent notation, and the less programmers can read and debug machine code efficiently. Next slide is conclusion. Number systems are a cornerstone of modern computing and digital technology. They provide the mathematical framework that allows computers to store, process, and communicate all forms of data. Binary forms the bedrock of hardware design, while hexadecimal and octal serve as practical shorthands that make programming and debugging far more manageable. Decimal breaks the gap between machine-level computation and human understanding. Mastering number system empowers students and engineers to understand how data is truly represented at the machine level, from memory addressing and processor instruction to graphical interface. That's my presentation. Sorry if there